There have been several leaks concerning the Galaxy S24 series, which is set to ship in February 2024. According to these rumors, the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a slew of enhancements, including better screens, improved cameras, faster CPUs, larger batteries, and certain models will have quicker charging. A fresh leak that we have today is the most notable of them all, and it will put a great grin on the faces of folks who are looking forward to these phones. According to a fresh report from selected media, if Samsung doesn't raise the prices of the base models compared to the Galaxy S23 series, the base variants of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will have 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, which means people won't have to spend more money to get the higher memory/storage variant. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is believed to have 16 GB of RAM as an option, and it is probable that this version has 1 TB of internal storage, according to an industry source. According to a South Korean publication, all 3 Galaxy S24 models will use the company's 13th generation AMOLED panel known as the M13. The new display panel is touted to be slimmer, more power efficient, and offer improved image quality. The iPhone 15 series, on the other hand, is believed to include the 12th generation OLED panel M12, which Samsung has previously employed in the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. We may not see M13 panels in Apple phones until the iPhone 16. According to the article, Samsung may offset the expense of these changes by adopting the Exynos 2400 chipset, which will cost the firm less to dual-source chips from Samsung System LSI and Qualcomm. The Exynos version is anticipated to be released in Europe and several Asian countries, while the Snapdragon variants of the Galaxy S24 series may be released in North America. This time, Samsung has finally started the One UI 6.0 beta program for the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.